Okay, we're at a new property today. This is a brand new foreclosure. Bank just assigned it to me. I'm out here initially to check it out, check occupancy, see what's left behind, all that kind of good stuff. From walking around the outside, there's junk everywhere, and it's about the same inside. So this is probably one where the bank's going to have to do a personal property eviction, just because the amount of stuff left behind is probably over $300 in the yard sale value. Maybe not, honestly, because most of it stinks. But let's walk around and walk through it and check it out. So you can see where it is all overgrown. Out here in the front, you can't even see most of the house. One of the things I need to do is find out the age of the roof. It is a dimensional architectural shingled roof, which is good, but there could be a life expectancy issue with it. Now this is a wood-sided house. I do see some areas of wood rot, so it's going to need a little bit of work. You can see right here that window trim needs some work. You've got a couple fogged windows. Busted garage door, so it does have a one-car attached garage. You've got some siding damage right here. So it does look like it has a sprinkler system, so the chances of it having a well are good. But probably one of the best things about this, besides the location, is the lot. I mean, this is a huge lot. Really big. I don't have the size on me, but yeah, there's some wood rot up there on the eaves. All along that windows, there's another busted window. The roof might be kind of old. You can see that the drip edge there is way old and dated, and so the roof could be an issue for just insurance purposes. So no telling what works in this property. Like I said, I just got access, got inside. Nice looking hot tub. But look at this lot size. They left a lot of stuff behind. And the smell of cigarettes hits you right when you walk in the door. Oh, I hate that smell. Good grief. So yeah, almost this entire window has busted seals. So here's your kitchen. Yeah, there's the culprit. Huge mistake smoking in a house. You can never get that smell out hardly. Nowadays people do not like it. Nasty. Alright, this is the garage, which is full of mostly junk probably, but got a little bit of sheetrock damage. The garage door is going to have to be replaced. Electrical panel is good. This house is not in the aluminum wiring era, so electrical should be fine, no problem. There's another messed up window. There's a lot of junk in here, but more than likely they're going to have to do a personal property eviction just because it's left behind. Okay, so this is your only living room, and you've got 2 beds on this side. Typical. Of course, everything's going to have to be painted and stained and killed or whatever to try to get some of the cigarette smoke smell out. But your ceilings are all dirty. So this house is going to need a good little makeover. So your master is back here, where you have your laundry area. At least it's not in the garage. But you've got this open concept, double vanity, sink, stuff right here. Open up to the master bedroom and your shower. So you only have a shower, no tub in here. This bathroom right here is pretty small. They've been doing some plumbing repairs. This is the master. I mean, it's dirty, stinks. Look at that ceiling fan, look at all that dust. Ugh. Busted window. Well, that's it. So we'll see how long this takes for this to go active. Oh, here's the guest bath. And so this house is going to need a good bit. It's going to need paint, flooring, kitchen updates, both bathroom updated, sheetrock work, exterior wood rot. Who knows about the AC, but I'm sure it's old, probably original. So, does have a wood burning fireplace. I mean, this location is really good. You're only a couple blocks basically off of 98, Holly by the Sea area. So you're close to the beaches, right in between Gulf Breeze and Navarre Beach, or Pensacola Beach and Navarre Beach. But good location. Property values around here are skyrocketing. So this will make a good project for somebody. Just depends on the price. I doubt very seriously this servicer or bank will do any repairs because the repairs needed on this house are just going to be too costly. It's not going to make sense for them to do it. All right, that's the grand tour. If you have any questions about real estate, foreclosures, buying, selling, whatever, give me a call, send me an email, drop a note in the comments, and I'll be glad to answer, help any way possible. And as always, thanks. Hit the subscribe button and like button if you don't mind. Really appreciate it. Have a great day. Thanks.